How to use Google Calendar in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So open your favorite browser. So I'll just open mine. And once it is opened, open google.com from the top and also sign in from here. So once you are signed in, click here where you see the dots and you will find a new window. A new window will pop up and you will find the calendar right there. So I can see the calendar right here and I'll click on that. It is very easy to use it. I'll show you. So the moment I click on that, you will see the calendar right away. So today it's 6th of Wednesday and I can simply, schedule anything. Let's say if I want anything, the title will come. If it's a event, if it's a task, you can mention it. If you want to, send this calendar to anyone, you can do that. So let's say we have this meeting right here. So meeting I have mentioned, and the timing, I can select the time and we can add the guest. So you can send the, email address. You can type the email address right here, and you can also add Google Meet for video conferencing. You can add the location, you can add the description, you can also add the attachment, and then you can send it. And if you want to if you want more options, you can simply click on more options, and then it will give you few more things. So if you want to add the description, just spend time on it, and the notification, and here you can modify the event, you can add the guest. This looks better, and this is how you can use the Google Calendar. It's very easy to use. We need to spend at least 2 to 5 minutes to learn all these things. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.